great ride. It's the state of great faces and great places, South Dakota. You know, I've traveled the world and probably have touched ground in almost every state in America. And I gotta tell you, if you're looking for variety, history, and adventure, look no more, because South Dakota has it all. Wide open spaces meet the open road in South Dakota. Home to the world-famous Sturgis motorcycle rally, South Dakota is the place to take the greatest ride of your life. Throttle past the beautiful glacial lakes in the northeast. Explode over South Dakota's wide-open rolling prairies. Or you could follow or cross the mighty Missouri River. Then climb high into the majestic Black Hills.
The riding is the best here. There's no second to South Dakota and the Black Hills as far as riding goes.
Head off the beaten path and see native prairie grasses, towering limestone cliffs, colorful river bluffs, free-roaming wildlife, slender granite spires. It's literally miles and miles of awe-inspiring beauty.
People are friendly, the accommodations are great, and they're very affordable here as well, because the prices are just, they don't compare. They're just a fraction of what you see on the East Coast or the West Coast.
There's also world-class attractions like Mount Rushmore, Badlands National Park, Custer State Park, and Deadwood.
They call it the only museum in the world with a bar.
Try your luck at one of the many Deadwood casinos, or join in one of many celebrations around South Dakota all year long. South Dakota really is a state of great faces and great places. It's a world of outdoor fun. It's all here, all year. The state of South Dakota has a great website that features a ton of info to help you plan your next vacation. You should check it out at travelsd.com. They also got links to great bargains and coupons. Great faces, great places, and great prices.